Shen. On this channel, I share practical travel tips based on my own experiences so you can explore smarter and stress-free. I'll be sharing the best places to visit and things to do in Waterton. It is a stunning gem in Canada's Rocky Mountains. And here are some of the best places and things to do in Waterton. Number 1 is visit the Prince of Wales Hotel. One of the most famous spots in Waterton is the Prince of Wales Hotel. Even if you don't stay at the hotel, it is worth a visit for the incredible views. The hotel sits on a hilltop overlooking Waterton Lake and the surrounding mountains. It offers stunning panoramic views, which is great for photos, and you can also explore the charming historic building and the inside of the hotel. Number 2 is Cameron Falls. Another must-see is the Cameron Falls. This falls is just right in the town, and it is an amazing waterfall that is super easy to get to, with a short and scenic walk from the town. It is a perfect stop if you are looking for a quick, accessible nature experience without venturing far from the town. Number 3 is Hike Bear's Hump. If you love hiking, you have to try Bear Hump. It is a short but steep trail with incredible views at the top. If you are wondering if how long is the Bear Hump trail is, it is 1 to 2 hours hike, and the trail is approximately 2.8 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of about 250 meters. This hike offers a spectacular views of Waterton Lake, Waterton Town Site, the Prince Wales Hotel, and the Montana Mountains in the United States, making it well worth the effort. Keep in mind that the hike can be challenging due to the steep incline, but the breathtaking views at the top are definitely rewarding. So I recommend trying this hike. Number 4 is explore the Red Rock Canyon. For something easier to hike, Red Rock Canyon offers a beautiful, scenic walk with unique red rock formations and a shallow creek where you can dip your feet on a warm day. Just be very careful when walking on the rocks by the lake as they can be very slippery. Here's a funny story. I slipped on the rocks and dropped my phone in the water, and my boyfriend and I searched for it for about 5 minutes, and luckily we found it and it was still working. And I have an iPhone, which is this phone that I'm using to record myself, so I'll say good job iPhone. I was so relieved because all of my pictures and videos from our few days of camping and adventures at Waterton were on this phone. So I would have been so sad if I've had lost this phone. So my point here is be very, very, very careful when you go down the Red Rock Canyon. Number 5 is Blakiston Falls. And just a short walk from Red Rock Canyon is Blakiston Falls, which features a stunning waterfall viewpoint and a well-maintained trail that is perfect for a quick and refreshing hike. The trail is easy to follow and takes you through beautiful forested areas, leading you to a great spot to take in the falls. It is a lovely place to stop and enjoy the sound of the cascading water. Number 6, explore Cameron Lake. If you like being on the water, you can rent a boat, kayak, or paddleboard and explore Cameron Lake at your own pace. Or as my boyfriend tried, you can swim in the cold water for a refreshing experience. Number 7, take a boat tour on Waterton Lake and hike to Goat Hunt. You can also take a boat tour on Waterton Lake, which takes you all the way to the US border at Goat Hunt. My boyfriend and I took this boat and started our hike from Goat Hunt back to Waterton. It was a scenic and adventurous trail that winds through beautiful forests, crosses wooden bridges, and passes by stunning alpine lakes and waterfalls. Along the way, we enjoyed breathtaking mountain views, peaceful meadows, and even came across the wildlife poop.
Is that a poopy bear?
Masarap yan.
Wanna try it?
Yes, fortunately, just the poop. We made sure to carry bear spray with us just to stay on the safe side. Number 8, drive along Chief Mountain Highway. We also took a quick scenic drive along Chief Mountain Highway, which is perfect for taking in the stunning views. And we even crossed into the US border for a few minutes just to snap a photo of the Chief Mountain sign. If you are also planning to enter US, just be sure you have your passport and you don't have anything in your car that is not allowed across the US border. Last one, this park is an amazing place to see wildlife. Waterton is an amazing place to see some wildlife, and we've seen deer many times in towns and bears throughout the park. And remember to keep a safe distance and have a bear spray on hand when going for a hike. It is important to stay alert and make noise while hiking to avoid surprising wildlife.
Hey!
Let me know in the comments if you have been to Waterton or planning your trip. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.